Welcome to our comparison video, where we will take a closer look at two popular portable washing machines. The BANGSON Compact Portable Washing Machine and the Portable Washing Machine. We'll discuss their features, capacities, and what makes each one unique. Whether you're living in a small apartment, going camping, or just need a convenient laundry solution, we've got you covered. When it comes to capacity, the BANGSON Compact Portable Washing Machine offers a total capacity of 17.6 pounds, which includes 11 pounds for washing and 6.6 pounds for spinning. This makes it a great option for larger loads. On the other hand, the portable washing machine has a capacity of 13 liters, making it more suitable for smaller items like baby clothes and underwear. If you need to wash larger loads, the BANGSON is the clear winner here. In terms of design, the BANGSON features a twin tub design that allows for separate washing and spinning cycles, which can be very efficient for users. However, it is bulkier and heavier compared to the portable washing machine, which boasts a foldable design that makes it extremely compact and easy to store. This makes the portable washing machine ideal for those with limited space. When it comes to usability, the BANGSON offers multiple wash modes and timers, providing flexibility for different laundry needs. It has a 15-minute wash timer and a 5-minute spin timer, making it quite versatile. In contrast, the portable washing machine is designed for simplicity with just a few timer settings, making it very easy to operate, especially for quick washes. Depending on your preference for features versus simplicity, either option could work well. In conclusion, both the BANGSON Compact Portable Washing Machine and the Portable Washing Machine have their strengths and weaknesses. The BANGSON is perfect for those who need a larger capacity and more features, while the Portable Washing Machine is ideal for those who prioritize portability and ease of use. We hope this comparison helped you in making an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.